I'm Dr. Saida Rafiq. I'm gynecologist and obstetrician. Now I work at Parkland Hospital. Before I used to work at Mid-East Medical Center in America. So now I have started my practice here, which deals with obs and gynae. My experience is about 40 years, which is in gynae, obs and medicine. Yes, it can, depends upon which birth control you are having. So there are different types of birth control, and some birth control can cause infection and infertility. Yeah, the biggest myth is mostly the women are afraid. They say we'll gain weight, that's the big problem. And then they say my stomach gets big, I can't walk, I can't carry my baby, I have pain in my stomach. So these are just the myths. It's nothing to do with contraceptives. Which suits the women and men both. You see, oral is very good. Oral is the best actually in our condition we give, because nowadays the birth pills have come which don't cause overweight, water retention, and they are good to take. You can take for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But you see, depends upon the woman. It's a hormonal. Pills have got hormones. So some people can do good with it, some cannot. Because some get a feeling of like pregnancy, nausea, vomiting. Otherwise it's good. And they are, like you want to ask, the best is this, but other contraceptives are like IUCD, which we insert. This we call, layman term is a coil, which you insert inside the uterus. This is also for 5 years, 6 years, depends when you want to have the other child. But actually every contraceptive, when you stop it, it takes some time to conceive. It's not immediately you will stop any contraceptive and you will conceive. The thing is that you should better come to doctor, have checkup yearly, 6 monthly, so that your doctor should see that your coil is at place and you are doing good with the pills. Why you say increase? Actually, immediately fertility never happens. If you stop birth control, pills or anything, it takes few months, but it happens. In some people, like you insert coils, there can be infection and blockage. So it will take some time. That's why I say you have to be checked with a doctor, like every 6 monthly or 1 yearly, like that. Otherwise, there's no such myth as a increase fertility or decrease fertility. If you don't have a child, please don't go to a doctor and ask for contraception. Oral you can take for some time, but not internal contraception. Because many people, they get married and they come and they ask, okay, can we have IUCD coil for 5 years? No, you cannot. And the other cons are like you can use a pill. If you don't want to have a baby, there are other contraceptives also, like a patch. They put a patch on your body, arm or abdomen for some time. And then there are oral and there are implants. The implants are put under the skin in the hand for like 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, depends. And then when you want to have a baby, you can remove the implants. The thing is, they are pros and cons are with every contraceptive. Every contraceptive gives you some side effects which you should not use. So you should be checked by a doctor and then be given a contraceptive to what you are suitable to. You see, like everything has got pros and cons. Is positive and negative is always together. So it's good for spacing of children if you're using contraceptive. But it is not good when you don't have a kid and you come for contraceptive. So you should not, you can take pill, but you cannot do implants or internal contraceptive. So many people force for it. It's not good, because any infection can block the tube and you won't have a baby again. So there are something like this or you always consult a doctor before taking any contraceptive. Because without it, never have self-medication. Self-medication is never good. So you should go to a gynecologist and she'll examine you and see what is good for you. Ask you questions. They tell me why you want to take this, for how long you want to take. Then she'll put you on the tablet, pill, or whatever it is. If you have got other children or you don't have children, so accordingly you will be treated. But please don't go for self-medication.